Ang dami nyo nakikita mga top na list na yan. Mostly puro smartphones. I don't think that there's any tech bloggers who's going to take their time to make a list ng mga tablets. And so here I am, public service lang para sa inyo kasi I'm pretty sure na meron din naghanap ng mga tablets for this coming sale, 11/11 and probably Christmas na sale. And in this list, meron tayong 6 na tablets na pwede ko i-recommend sa inyo. The first half is yung mga mini tablets and the second half is yung mga, well, regular size na tablets. So enough kwentuhan na, pag-usapan natin. Now, to start my list, medyo nahirapan din ako pumili dito sa listahan na ito. Trimming it down to 6 tablets na pwede ko i-recommend sa inyo, hindi siya madali. Kasi ang daming candidates na pwede ko ipasok dito But of course, starting off with probably one of my favorite, personally, kasi ginagamit din ng mga anak ko, it's a Apple iPad 2025 11 Gen na A16 na Bionic chip. Honestly, sobrang confusing mga names ng mga tablets ni Apple kasi generation ng pinag-uusapan dito sa kanya. So, you might confuse the 10 Gen and 11 Gen kasi mga itsura naman nila, medyo magkakamukha naman. Pero one of the good things dito sa kanya, despite being priced at $24,999, but on mga sale, makukuha mo siya ng mura. Kasi yung akin, nakuha ko, I think, 99 sale, nakuha ko ng around 20,999. And there are times na nakita ko it fall as low as 19,000 pesos. Nabili ko naman siya sa online na Beyond the Box. So, just simply hit the link on the description or click that link na biglang lilitaw sa inyong screen para sa aking YouTube shopping. Ingat lang kayo, ang dami mga nagpapanggap ng seller. Kahit Shopee Mall and Last Mall pa yan, ingat pa rin kayo. Only use yung mga verified links na nilalagay ko dito sa aking channel. Now, yung pinag-uusapan natin dito is the Wi-Fi model only. I'm sure meron siya eSIM support on another variant which is more expensive at around mga nasa 30,000 pesos if I'm correct. Pero dito sa akin listahan, it's just the Wi-Fi model. Kasi most of the time, mga tablets na may LTE support or 4G, medyo mahal. Kaya I would suggest na bumili ka na ng murang smartphone, i-tether mo na lang. Marami pa kayo makakagamit ng internet, di ba? Tipid tip hacks. Now, one of the good things dito sa A16 na tablet ni Apple is that maganda ang kanyang display. Probably one of the things na binibili mo sa iPad is yung kanyang display. Maganda ang kanyang display, bright, and well, I don't expect anything less dahil this one has a liquid retina na IPS LCD. 11-inch ang kanyang screen and it has a oleophobic coating, by the way. One of the good things sa iPad is matagal-tagal ang kanyang software updates, which I think 6 to 7 years, if I'm correct. Right now, it's running iOS 26.1. Solid ang kanyang 12MP na rear camera, can shoot you up to 4K and 30 FPS na video. And okay din ang kanyang front-facing camera for teleconferencing. Okay na okay din naman siya. Yung kanyang battery size is around mga 7,700 mAh which can support 45 watts na wired charging support. Not bad, pero probably siya yung pinakamababa ang charging support for this listahan natin. Now, next in my list is a mini tablet, si Xiaomi Pad Mini. Very powerful ang kanyang processor, Dimensity 9400 Plus. One of the coolest one pagdating sa gaming. Currently priced at $24,999, kapresyo lang ng A16 ni iPad. Pero pagdating sa processor, it probably might blew the A16 away. I'm not quite sure kung ilang years ang software update, pero I think it's 3 major Android update if tama ang narinig natin. Correct me if I'm wrong. Decent naman kanyang camera, 13MP ang rear, 8MP ang kanyang front. Kaya din naman niya mag-shoot lang up to 4K and 30 FPS na video. Pagdating sa gaming, wala ka maging problema dito. Paldong-paldo tong tablet na ito, playing AAA games, Wuthering Waves, Genshin Impact, walang problema. And one good thing dito sa kanya, dahil malaking screen, better ang experience mo. Parang may hawak na tablet na pinalit ng konti na parang smartphone na pinalaki konti. Yung kanyang gaming experience is definitely better. For me, compared sa playing on a smartphone na mas maliit. Pero syempre, there are times na pag matagal mong hawak, medyo mangangalay ka rin konti. Kasi kahit papano, it's still 326 grams na tablet na hawak mo. And one of its strength is 7,500 mAh kanyang battery. And it can support up to 67 watts of fast charging support with bypass charging. The third one is also a mini tablet, one of my favorite, Redmagic Astra. Itong tablet na ito is sobrang powerful pagdating sa gaming and I like yung kanyang likod. Probably one of the only tablets na may ilaw sa kanyang fan. Pero pagdating sa presyo, siya pinakamahal sa akin listahan at 37,500 pesos. Pero I'm pretty sure it's going to be going on sale. Just click the link on the description. Pagdating sa display, siya na pinakapanalo sa buong listahan natin dito sa video na ito. LTPO na OLED display, siya rin siya magka-calibrate ng kanyang refresh rate and it has the highest na refresh rate dito sa listahan natin at 165 Hz, take note, and it's also Corning Gorilla Glass protected. Not sure kung anong level, pero yun ang nakaspecify sa kanyang spec sheet. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, it's probably mind-blowing yung kanyang capability dito sa pagdating sa gaming, and basically it's a gaming tablet at 9-inch na display. Matino naman kanyang camera, can shoot you up to 4K videos, and pagdating sa mini tablets, probably siya pinakamalaki ang capacity na battery at 8,200 mAh. And supporting up to 80 watts of fast charging. So, charging from 0 to 100, hindi ka mag-aantay ng sobrang tagal. One winning factor talaga dito sa kanya is pagdating sa gaming, sobrang mag-e-enjoy ka sa kanya dito. Wala ka mafe-feel na lags or frame drops pagdating sa mga Genshin Impact, Wuthering Waves, Delta Force, or whatever games na gusto mo isalpak sa kanya, AAA games, solid. Now, before we proceed down to our second half ng listahan, which is mga regular smartphone, ine-encourage ko kayo mag-like and subscribe dito sa ating channel kasi hindi lang itong list na ginagawa natin, tablets lang. There are also smartphones, the top smartphone, mid-range, budget, lahat yan ginawa natin ng listahan just for you. Now, we're going to proceed to number 4, and yung pinaka-last is going to be one of my favorite dito sa listahan na ito. Number 4 is the Honor Pad X9a. One of the hot-selling na tablets na meron ni Honor for this 2025 dahil paldong-paldo ka ng presyo. Pag binili mo siya na walang keyboard, 10,999. Pag binili mo siya with keyboard, 11,999. Just add 1,000 pesos lang, may keyboard ka na. And I'm pretty sure na itong kanyang bundle pagdating sa 11/11 sale, babagsak nilang presyo. Kasi once I saw na yung with keyboard, bumaba ng 10,999, and hopefully they pull it further down this coming sale. Now, pagdating sa processor, huwag niyo akong sisihin. Snapdragon 685. It's not the most powerful. It's a Jurassic dinosaur na processor. I'm being honest to you. Pero hindi naman lahat ng tao. So if you just want to simply use this tablet for online learning, online meeting, and mga online businesses mo, paldong-paldo na tong tablet na ito. Multitasking, wala ka problema. You can make some quick video edit. Okay naman siya. And I personally believe it's more than enough naman tong tablet na ito. Front and rear camera is okay, not the best. Okay naman siya if you're using it for video conferencing. Malaki and tumatagal ang kanyang battery at 8,300 mAh. And I would say na probably masarap siyang bitbitin, no? Kasi hindi mo kailangan charge ng charge. Kung in case na naubusan ka, mag-powerbank ka na lang if you're always on the go. And I can always recommend mga powerbank ng Chuktek, which is definitely okay kasi kaya niya mag-fast charge on almost any devices na meron natin. And by the way, it's also 35 watts na wired charging support, si Honor Pad X9a. Now, the next one is the only one na may 4G na SIM card support, ang Infinix xpad 20. I love this tablet, no? Kasi whenever you go out, di mo kailangan mag-bit-bit ng extra na phone na pang tether lang, or yung main phone mo magte-tether ka, mag-hotspot ka para makasagod mga tablets mo. But there's always a pro and a con naman pagdating sa tablets na may 4G. Mahal sila, I know. But hindi si Infinix xpad 20. Dahil this tablet, ang kanyang SRP is 9,999, pero nakita ko na ang kanyang presyo pagdating dito sa sale na ito sa 11/11, 7,000 pesos na lang, guys. Sobrang mura. And magugulat ka na sa kanyang presyo, no? Happy ako kasi meron siya 4G support. Na pagdating sa processor, huwag niyo rin ako sisihin dahil this doesn't have one of the best, the most powerful na processor. MediaTek Helio G88 lang ang meron na dito. Just a quick disclaimer, well, pagdating sa basic task, wala ka nang maging problema dito sa kanya. As long as you're not going to use it for gaming, just for everyday online learning, just video conferencing, doing your online na businesses, I would say na enough na siya. 11-inch na screen with a 90Hz screen refresh rate. Pag mababrowse ka naman dito on social media, well, okay naman siya. Well, at the very least, I was able to play ML dito, and of course, the Honor of Kings, but it's Call of Duty Mobile. Well, it's playable. I would say playable. And ang kanyang camera is just okay. Just don't expect too much. And it also comes together with a 7,000 mAh na battery, which is not bad, and a 10 watts na charging support, which is quite slow for me. Now, down na tayo sa aking last na listahan. So, don't forget to check me out sa aking mga videos. Top smartphone, top mid-range, top budget phone, top gaming phones, name it, andito lang sa aking channel. So, ang aking favorite and the number 1 sa aking listahan is this one, si Huawei Matebook 11.5 2025. Now, ang ganda nitong tablet na ito, the only one sa listahan na may paper matte technology. So, meaning kung nakatapat siya sa mga ilaw, normally, di ba, makita mo nag-glare. Pero dito, wala. Nag-dissipate ang ilaw. So, hindi mahirapan ang iyong mata. Kasi very stressful din naman maghanap ka ng angle na walang glare sa inyong screen. Ito, perfect na perfect. And it comes together with a bundle na pen and a keyboard. And ang kanyang SRP hindi sobrang mahal at 21,999, and which probably might even be lower this coming 11/11 sale, which I'm pretty sure. Meron siya 4 na speakers, meron siya 120Hz sa screen refresh rate. Yung kanyang processor na Kirin T82B is a performer but not the best dito sa aking listahan. But on everyday use, okay na okay siya. I was able to play several games in dito like Firelight 84, Call of Duty Mobile, and some other games. No problem dito. Just not the AAA games, guys. Yung kanyang camera is also good. Ang kanyang 30MP na rear camera and the 8MP na front-facing camera is pretty solid. And it has one of the biggest na battery dito sa listahan natin at 10,100 mAh. Ayun guys, so 13 hours ang kanyang screen on time. Charging support, 40 watts. It's pretty okay din para sa akin. Now guys, nakita na ng buong listahan natin na top 6 tablets na meron natin for 2025. Probably I'm the only one na gumawa nitong list na ito, and the others are more of smartphone here, smartphone there. Nakalimutan nilang gawan ang tablets, which is one of the most useful things, lalo na pagdating sa online education, ang tablet. Now guys, ano na pusuan niyo dito? At kung meron nga ba ako naiwan dito sa akin listahan, let me know in the comments. Kasi sobrang daming tablets na pwede i-recommend, but I just simply trim it down to 6 na pwede kong personally i-recommend sa inyo. So guys, don't forget to check me out sa aking channel, the other listahan na meron natin, top smartphone, top flagship, top mid-range, top budget, and top gaming phones. And you'll be really surprised sa mga honest to goodness na recommendation natin. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe dito sa aking channel, and share this video to your friends. So don't forget to hit that notification bell din para ma-notify kayo. So paano, hanggang dito muna ako. I'll see you on my next one. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.